Okay guys, I'm going to give you key support resistance levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm also going to show you, so I have a Dow Jones chart. If we hold support at a certain point, we're below that now, it is possible we can have some more upside with Bitcoin. If that breaks or the next candle opens below, then I think we have a lot more downside. I'm going to give you key support resistance levels to pay attention to. If you watched the last video I put up, I said Bitcoin is about to have the mother of all crashes. Also, if you watch this video all the way through, 10 minutes and 24 seconds in, I told you exactly where to short if we pushed up, 39,354, and if we drop, where to get in at 34,650. This is how it played out. You can see we hit this to the tick, so this is where you should have entered your short, 39,312, and you can see down here is where we found support and pushed up. I made a tweet about this. I said if next candle opens above this price in about 3 minutes, I think we can see a pump because we're holding support at this point. And then I made another tweet saying we held, and we did push up from that point. I also made a post in the community section of YouTube. Occasionally I'll keep you guys updated there. Same thing, telling you where to buy in. And guys, the reason I got into leverage trading in the first place is to help you trade safe, to know when to get in, to know when to get out, to know where to set your stop loss to protect yourself, and even where to take profit. If you do want to use my BitGet affiliate link, that'll be pinned in the first comment in the description. I'll be creating a bunch of altcoin charts so we can trade, and I'll be sharing my trades in Discord as well. You see, we have been killing it. 302% profit, 256, 377, 175, 128, 74, 465, 25, a 600, 284, 283, 95. 1,032%. So you can see that we've been doing very well in here. And someone said, well, what? So we got a pump on the H1 chart, and someone said, well, what target to take profit? And I said, well, 35,700 on the C1 chart. And you can see that's exactly what happened. We pushed up, we got rejected once, twice, right here, 35,700. So all of your support resistance levels are already mapped out. You've seen how accurate my Bitcoin charts are. Expect a whole bunch of altcoin charts that we can trade on the BitGet exchange. So this is also the same video, the last one I put up. I said this is a very key, this orange ring is a very key support level. This needs to hold. If this breaks, our next ultimate target is down here. If you want to watch this video, I did go into detail. I gave you the exact date. I expect us to test this first target at 20,500, and I gave you this this date. I think potentially we'll be testing 14,057. And this is this chart here. You see we held support on this ring and we are pushing up. The Dow Jones dropped around 850 points last night after market trading, guys. Follow the indices down, Bitcoin down, indices up, Bitcoin up. This is my Dow Jones chart. So this is what's very important, guys. So I told you, if you've been following me, it said the point to short the Dow was 36,800. The point to long was 33,150. The point to short right here, this fib channel line, is part of this one below at 35,950. And this is what's important, guys. If the Dow pushes back up above 32,500 and holds, then I think we could have some upside for Bitcoin. This is a very key support level. If we get a close below this point, then I expect a lot more downside for the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, which means we have a lot more downside for Bitcoin. So we need to pay attention to this. Remember, 32,570-ish is a very key support level. We stay underneath that, very bearish for Bitcoin. So again, guys, this is the BitGet exchange. My affiliate link will be pinned in the first comment description if you want to sign up. And again, so I'm going to be creating a bunch of altcoin charts. I already have Ethereum done and Bitcoin done. So I'm going to do EOS, ADA. We're just going to knock out a bunch of them. So if we're at resistance with BCH, we can short that point. If we're at support with Ethereum, we can long. If Link's at support, we can long it. So we're going to have a lot of options. I'm going to create another video showing you guys how to get these charts in and the elements. Also, so this is the Ethereum chart. I'm going to give you some support resistance levels on this one. So look, your resistance right now is right here around 2,462. You see we're breaking above resistance right now, so your support is 2,400. Your next key support below is 2,328 too long, and your next support level below too long is 2,278, and very strong support will be down here around 2,200. And let me give you one more, guys. So if we push up a nice point to short, notice how we're respecting this yellow line, support and resistance. That would be a great point to short. If we get up to 2,550, that'd be an ideal point to short. But just showing you how these charts work, this is the published version of this Ethereum chart. Let me show you how this played out. But this is published on February 13th, by the way. Notice he pushed up, perfect rejection, perfect rejection. So these charts tell you, and notice there's a blue ring here. It tells you exactly where to get in, exactly where to get out. Notice we found support here and pushed up. And I made a tweet about this. I said, you know, when you're expecting a fib circle, when you break, the fib circle down below will be support. And look how this played out. Notice we came right down to this blue ring and held support and pushed up. And that was the chart I just showed you. So your next resistance to watch will be, you know, this ring up to this point here. Is where you would short. And these are the charts I'm going to be creating for the BitGet exchange, so we can trade the hell out of them. And I will be helping you in Discord to know when to get out, when to get in, where to set your stop loss, where to take your profit. And again, expect a bunch of altcoin charts up. So for Bitcoin, let me give you support and resistance level. So currently, your support is 34,700. If that breaks, guys, your next support level below 2 watts is right here at 33,500. If we push up, next strong resistance is 38,081 on the C1 chart. So you can see we're getting caught between resistance here and support below. So look, your support right now is 35,000. Your resistance is right here, 35,693. If this breaks 35,000, your next support level to watch, and I do expect to catch a nice bounce here, it's going to be around, well, again, at 33,500, but there's a lot of support around 33,230, so this would be an ideal point to put in long if we drop to that point. If you do get above 35,700, your next point to short, well, will be this line right here. And there's a lot of resistance here. You got this yellow line, this white line, this red line. So I would definitely get the hell out. If we pushed up, I don't expect that, but if we pushed up to 37,751, that'd be an ideal point to short. I do expect a lot more downside, guys. Remember, they're going to be raising interest rates possibly in March, and Ukraine and Russia are already at it, so I do expect a lot of downside. We're just going to have little pumps along the way as we go down further. So that gives you support resistance levels, guys. If you do want to access these charts, remember the website is OtterCrypto.com. Link will be pinned first comment in the description, and use my BitGet affiliate link to sign up. And then, guys, we're going to be killing it with these new altcoin charts. So that's on the agenda. Expect a video up soon. I'm going to show you guys how to get these charts into BitGet, and I will give you the coordinates in that video to import these charts yourself so you can trade. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.